Yeah. Set coming in and the money on fold. Gotta put a stamp on it. Jet hit a plate, scrape it off the plate. Hey, gotta put the camp on it. Pussy ass nigga always talking that tough shit. Nigga put a date on it. Everybody sitting at the table around here. Yeah, there's a lot of place on it.
Running through the money and the bitch keep calling. Hold up, she gon' have to wait on it. VVS diamond dripping on my t-shirt. Reach for it, I'ma put your face on it. Rolls Royce truck on the way, cashed out for it. Still had to wait on it. Plug fucked around, sitting around down kind. Nigga still had to pay for it.
Pack coming in on iPhone. I'ma keep it 30 in my fault. I'ma buy a Birkin for my shoulder. Nigga did me dirty, ran off on me. Took off. Plug did me dirty, took off on me. Lil' Hilda just folded, got soft on me. I'm from the streets, you gotta pay with your life. I got away with the white, you just like your father, and he was a rat. So that mean he raising the mice. Yeah, I had to trap through the night. Yeah, I put that pack on a flight.
Alright, my Titans, so this is what I got done today. Got this toolbox over here, it was over there. Got this motor moved out. Got this motor moved out from out the corner. The bike is by the carport. This motor I gotta cover up. This hole I gotta do now is cut all these jagged edges out and then clean this up and then weld this shut. The AC fits, the AC modification fits now. The engine fits, you can run the coolant in the back. Whatever the shit is, I keep forgetting. But I'm gonna put it in right there. That's what it is, the name of it, right there. Alright. I got clearance for that to run the coolant on this side and this side as well. So with that said, stay tuned as we get this whole part taken care of. Then I can drop the motor back in, and then I can put the spacers. I'm getting ready to finish this up, this hole up, get everything prepped for the back of the firewall, for the engine and stuff, to fit all the necessary components to run the AC. The wire harness has been cut in multiple places, right here and right here. So I got the time, AC and instrument gauges, I think. So everything that has to do up on the dash is cross or parallel from one side to the other, has to do with this harness. And also runs to the, I don't even know what this is. Let's see what this is. This is a figure out what this is. Let me know if you know what this is. I think this is for like all the lights and stuff in the back. This is the interior ECU for the vehicle, I think. So stay tuned as I figure this shit out. For real. Alright, my Titans. So what I've done, I left my safety goggles at the house. So I gotta go check on my little doggy in Hartford anyway. So that's what I'm ready to do. I had to get my goggles first, and I'll be right back. Alright. Alright, my Titans, so what I've done is most of the wire harness I've taken out. I still got disconnected from this end and that end over there in the corner and from here, and that'll be it to take out the one that I cut. So stay tuned as I figure this out, if I'm able to save it. If not, I have to get another one, but I'm gonna take this out tonight. Alright, my Titans, so this is what I'm getting ready to do now. I'm getting ready to cut this out, this whole part out. I'm gonna stop. As far as the compressor, I will show you exactly where I will mount the compressor later, but first things first, let me seal this up. Alright. what I've just done is disconnected this wire harness from this side. I gotta get over there and disconnect that. And when I was at it, I went on ahead and made the template for this cutout. So I'm gonna get ready to cut all this out either later on tonight or tomorrow. But first thing first, I'm gonna remove the full wire harness so I can jump on that tonight. So I'm about to head on that side right now. All right, my Titans. All right, so on this side, I gotta remove this bottom piece right here so I can get to this wire harness. I can disconnect it once I remove this, so stay tuned. All right, so this last little cluster right here, I have a little issue with, but basically I gotta take, well, let's see, it goes down here and then up here. Yeah. All right, so all I gotta do is disconnect it from here and all this up here. And this wire harness that I need, that I cut, will come out. So stay tuned, my Titans. All right, my Titans, so, excuse me. Just got through hitting the vape. So with this unit, I have this issue right here with this vent. Well, I had that issue with the vent. Now it seems like it's not want to go in all the way properly. So what I gotta do is take it apart again. I don't like doing this. This is like the second time, but I figured out how everything goes. So I probably have to just rotate this vent to fit this piece. It just popped out. All right, so what I've done, I've disassembled it again. Flip this fin upside down, and now what I'm getting ready to do is put it back together and then seal up this hole right here. So stay tuned, my Titans, as I get this whole AC unit done and taken care of. All right, my Titans, so I put all the proper screws and connectors back in place. So all the vents are working. It connects to all the necessary components like this. So this is the last piece I need to do. I need to cut out that little part right there to make the back side of the AC unit clear. So I'm about to head back upstairs, so head back up to the house, and fiberglass this on. I gotta find the glue. I had some glue in here somewhere. Up here somewhere. It's here somewhere. There we go. Here we go. Still good. Maybe, maybe not. But the next goal is to come back, put the AC unit in. I might fiberglass this firewall just in case. But who knows? But stay tuned as I sort all this out today. So check it, my Titans. What I've done, I removed the whole dashboard wire harness, and pretty much that is the interior wire harness for the car. This whole piece right here is the wire harness for like the lights and AC and stereo system, from what I can understand. This harness right here goes straight to the fuse box. Yeah, this is a fuse box. There's nothing wrong with that. That hasn't been cut. And this goes to the engine harness. So basically, I might be on something else right now. All right, my Titans. So the next step now is actually pulling the wire harness from out of here. So that's what I'm getting ready to do now. And then I can actually go ahead and start figuring out what fuses need to be mated with this fuse box with the Honda wire harness in the rear. So stay tuned as I get this mated up. All right, my Titans. This is the Mazda RX-8 engine wire harness and fuse box. This is the K24 wire harness. This view. So I have the K24 wire harness and the RX-8 wire harness. So the next goal is to figure out exactly what fuse go to where, fuse it together. Basically, this is the engine harness. Is connected to all the components up under the dash. So I gotta figure out exactly what is what. All right, my Titans. So what I've done is I repaired the AC unit with PVC JB Wheel plastic bundle. And what's good, my Titans? We're back. I just came from U.S. fried chicken. Just got me a Philly cheesesteak and some fries. And this is the end result of what I did earlier. JB Weld this whole thing. So the goal today is to fuse this harness together. This is the Mazda harness and this is the Honda harness. I need the connectors. Looking at the Mazda RX-8 fuse box. This is the Honda K24 wire harness. So my goal is to figure out what fuse go to where and what connection on the engine end. This connect to the engine end, the K24. So I have the extended reach for the motor and stuff. Not too far, but enough to use the rack and pinion, the electric rack and pinion right here, and also other things inside the cab and outside the cab. The interior wire harness I still have to solder, which I got my solder. So the goal is next is to write a diagram and then made it up. Not too hard, but straightforward. So stay tuned. And what's good, my Titans? First, before I start hopping on this wire harness, I need to write a diagram for this build. So I'm thinking of it on the wall so I can know exactly what colors need to be matched with what, and so I won't lose or fuck up anything. So stay tuned as we head up to the Dollar Tree or someplace like Walmart or something, or Ollie's, or some type of crafts location. With that said, we get this knocked out and get this wire harness mated and fabricated. So stay tuned, my Titans. All right. So this is the fuse box for the Mazda RX-8. I will be going with this fuse box because this works with the interior. So there's no need to change out this fuse box. You use this fuse box and just wire everything. And what's good, my Titans? Today, this is the agenda, is to write down the wiring diagram for the RX-8 wire harness and fuse box and the K24 wire harness. And then I'm gonna match them both for DONDA RX-KT. So stay tuned as I map out each pin, each wire, step by step. All right, my
Yeah. I don't even know how we get here. Yup. The big two.
and the big heart. I'm rolling something, so I know what the feeling's bout. I know you got dreams, so it's time you live it out. We was outside, they was in the house. Got so much game that I wanna give it out.